AAPC Coder has simplified the job of a medical coder in today's workplace, providing multiple resources to increase productivity and accuracy. It starts with a powerful search engine, allowing you to enter a code, keyword, or phrase to get virtually limitless detail across CPT, ICD-9, HCPCS Level 2, and ICD-10 code sets. Lay terms help coders understand what is being done during the procedure. CPT coding guidelines pertaining to the code are provided for quick reference. A CCI edit checker is used to determine bundling and appropriate modifier use, and an LCD lookup finds policies pertaining to the code. Even Medicare's physician fee schedule is immediately available from this detailed code view, where you can copy and paste, print, or download all the information displayed. As an alternative lookup method, try our Code Sets Index, allowing you to browse for codes alphabetically, exactly as you would with your coding books. Struggling to get all of your CEUs in time? The latest information for accurate coding and billing is included in specialty coding newsletters and survival guides built right into AAPC Coder. Short quizzes ensure you've mastered the learning and then award up to 20 CEUs. Want to decrease your rate of denials? CCI edits and LCD searches will give you access to check CPT codes against the CCI edit tool and local coverage determinations for your locality and carrier. Need to cross-reference codes? Whether you're looking for the most reported ICD-9 codes for each CPT code or want a bi-directional mapping from ICD-9 to ICD-10, we've got you covered. Finally, no more searching the endless CMS website. You can now get access to multiple CMS transmittals, claims processing manuals, CMS Medicare Learning Network articles, and of course, fee schedules. Try AAPC Coder today to find out how these amazing tools can help you excel in your coding and billing role. Start your free trial today